Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about the proteins. So proteins are basically the basic subunits called amino acids, and they are made up of the amino acids, and different amino acids join together by the peptide bonds and form the proteins. So in our body we can say that 60% of our body, each cell of our body is made up of proteins, right? Different foods which we use in everyday life, including eggs, meat, and the milk products, they all contain proteins. As we all know that we can say that egg and the proteins are a whole diet, that they contain all the essential ingredients which are required for the body, and the protein is one of them. Basic unit of proteins, as we know that proteins are complex compounds which are made up of the small subunits called amino acids, and the amino acid has its own structure, and it has an alpha carbon atom through which the carboxyl group is joined, and an amino group is also joined, and an R group is present. This R group is responsible for the different kind of amino acids. This R group can be some other amino group, and can be hydrogen group, can be hydroxyl group, can be amine group, whatever it can be, and result in the production of the different kind of amino acids and the different proteins. As we can say, it is a structure of a particular amino acid, a typical amino acid. So this is the main carbon atom, and with this carbon atom an R group is attached, and hydrogen is attached, amino group is attached, and carboxyl group is attached. This carboxyl group, hydrogen atom, and the amino group will remain as it is. Only the R group will change and will result in the formation of the different kind of amino acids. Let's discuss some functions of the proteins. As the function of proteins are concerned, we know that they are involved in digestion, as digestion is taken place by the enzymes, and all enzymes are proteins in nature, right? Enzymes are protein in nature. So we can say that the proteins play an important role in digestion. And the movement, as we know that movement requires the muscles, and muscles are made up of proteins, so we can say that they play a very important role in movement. So as the support is concerned with that particular bonds, and the protein is also a major part of the bonds, and as support and structure both are related to the bones and muscles, right? So they all are made up of the proteins. Cellular communications, as we know that cellular communications means cell signaling is involved here, and they require the special enzymes for performing the cellular communication between one cell to another one. So they all are proteins. And the chemical messengers are also special kind of proteins. They can be prostaglandins and the other enzymes, which are basically proteins in nature. So this is the diverse function of the proteins. So meet you in the next lecture. I will finish my lecture here, and till then stay tuned and stay happy, and Allah Hafiz, and subscribe my channel, that is Biology by MK. So till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.